Stop trying to be rich. Seriously, stop. That thing you're chasing, the car, the watch, the passive income course, the millionaire mindset bullshit, here's what they don't tell you. The people selling rich as a goal, they're making money off your desperation. And you're stuck in a loop. I did this for 5 years, chased rich, almost went under. Then I found the question that changes everything. And it's not, how do I make more money? It's something darker. Something harder, something that actually works. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you bought something? Not because you needed it, but because you wanted to feel a certain way. The new iPhone, the brand name on your chest, the dinner where you spent $120 because the menu didn't have prices. Here's the psychology they don't teach you. Every time you buy something that signals status, your brain releases dopamine. Feels good for about 17 minutes. Then what happens? You check your bank account. The guilt hits, the shame, the where did my money go spiral. So what do? You buy something else to feel better. It's a chemical loop, and the entire economy is designed to keep you in it. The $500 billion question? Not you. The people selling rich as a lifestyle need you to stay hungry, desperate, aspirational, because hungry people buy things. Desperate people buy courses. Aspirational people chase, and never arrive. You're on a treadmill, and the finish line? Every time you almost get there, they move it. Here's the twist, the one they don't put in the books. Rich people didn't get rich by trying to be rich. They got rich by accident. They were solving a problem, building something, getting obsessed with the work. And the money? That was the byproduct, not the goal. But we've got it backwards. We want the money first, the lifestyle first, the validation first. Then we'll do the work. Doesn't work that way. I want you to meet two people. John, 32, makes $140,000. He's got the car lease, the designer backpack, the apartment in the right neighborhood. Every dinner is photographed. Every vacation is posted. John has $800 in savings, $12,000 in credit card debt, and panic attacks on the 15th when rent is due. Now meet Maria. Maria makes $62,000, drives a 2012 Honda with a dent. She packs lunch, has 3 streaming services, shares passwords with her sister. Maria has $23,000 in savings, maxes her 401k match, slept through last night without checking her phone once. Who's richer? The numbers say John. But John is one bad week from disaster. Maria is free. Here's what Maria understands that John doesn't. Rich is a feeling, a comparison, a moving target. You'll never feel rich, ever, because someone always has more. But immune? Immune means a car repair doesn't ruin your month. Immune means losing your job is scary, not catastrophic. Immune means 3 a.m. you sleeps. Maria stopped trying to be rich. She started trying to be immune. And that changed everything. So how do you become immune? It's not complicated, but it's hard, because it requires something our brains hate: delayed gratification. Layer 1, cover your life. Not your dream life, your actual, boring, real life. 1 month of expenses in a banking app you don't look at. 2 months, better. 3 months? This isn't sexy. You can't post it on Instagram. But when your transmission dies and you pay cash, that feeling, that's better than any new thing dopamine hit. Layer 2, buy your time. This is the rich person's secret they don't advertise. Rich people don't buy stuff, they buy freedom. Every dollar in savings buys you future time. $1,000? That's 3 days you don't have to work if things go bad. $10,000? That's a month of I can figure this out. $50,000? That's choices, real ones. Stop asking, what can I afford? Ask, what is this purchase costing me in future freedom? That $400 bag? That's 3 days of freedom, gone, forever. Layer 3, become boring. The most powerful financial move? Being unimpressive to everyone except your future self. Drive the paid-off car. Keep the phone until it breaks. Cook food. Be the person at dinner who orders water. Here's the math they hide from you. $50 a week invested? Not saved, invested. Over 10 years? $34,000. Over 20 years? $98,000. Over 30 years? From $50 a week. From being boring. While everyone else is leasing cars and buying validation, you're becoming immune. Look, I get it. The pressure is real. Every scroll shows someone winning. Every ad tells you you're behind. Every friend's story seems better. But here's the truth they'll never sell you. The goal isn't to be rich. The goal is to be free. Free from the 3 a.m. panic. Free from the "can I afford this" math in your head. Free from needing anyone else's approval. You want to know what rich people actually have? It's not the stuff, it's the quiet, the calm, the knowing that whatever happens, you'll be okay. That's immune. And you can start today, not next month, not when you make more, not when you figure it out. Today. So here's what I want you to do. Drop one word in the comments, but before you type it, I need you to be honest with yourself. What's the one thing you're chasing right now that you think will make you feel rich? The car? The status? The look of success? Type it. Put it out there. Let's all see it together. Because here's the thing about shame. It dies in the light. And the moment you name the thing you're chasing, you start to see it for what it really is. A trap. Now, if this hit home, hit the like button. Not for me, for the algorithm to show this to someone else who needs to hear it. Someone in your life is stuck in the chase. Send them this video. Because next week, we're talking about the one subscription you're paying for that's secretly draining your future. And it's not Netflix. Stop chasing. Start living.